The money's in the list. The money's in the list.
Hi everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to grow your email list fast. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload internet marketing related tips like this on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, we heard it thousands of times, the money is in the list. Well, why is it so? Really simple, because you're in control of that list, as long as you have it backed up, of course. And what I mean by that is that you don't rely on a third social media platform, for example, like Facebook, YouTube, because they might just decide to shut it down one day and you're not in control of your subscribers there anymore. But an email list, you will always be in control of that, and you can use it and do whatever you want with that list. Plus, most of the people, they actually read their emails daily. So that is also why everyone is talking about building a list, build an email list, and why it is so important to have a list there. So now that we know that, what I'm going to share with you today is 3 simple tips on how to grow your email list faster. With that being said, let's get started with tip number 1. It is to have a lead magnet. A lead magnet could actually be a free report. It could be a video, a case study. It could be a webinar. It could be a checklist, a workbook. It all depends on whatever fits for you and your niche there. A quick example, if you arrive to myimtips.com, I actually do have a free report. But if you arrive to Daily List Profits, which is my own product there about list building, I actually have a free case study where I show you how to make $420 in less than 24 hours. So it all depends actually what fits for you. Make sure that it is out of good value, because that will help you to have your subscriber to stay there and be active. Tip number 2, exit pop. If they didn't work, no one would have used them. And I mean, why not? You worked hard for drive traffic to your opt-in page. Why lose him as a subscriber? I mean, why not give him a second chance? What you do is actually you create a different squeeze page or opt-in page, or you use some kind of an exit pop when people, they just try to switch to another site, or they just want to exit from your site there. And I noticed the increased conversions, everything from 10 up to 30-40% actually, that I would have lost anyway. So definitely worth to implement an exit pop, some kind of an exit pop or exit page to your funnel there. Tip number 3, CTA, stands for call to action. Make sure you have a call to action, no matter if you drive traffic via Facebook, YouTube. Quick example is you saw in the beginning of the video where I actually told you to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is a call to action. Or usually at the end of the video I always say there is a link below the description, you can opt in for that, my number 1 recommendation. Or another alternative would be make sure to subscribe to my newsletter. You'll find a link below the description, and when you do that you get this free report in exchange for the email address. So there you have it about the call to action. Use it whenever you can, okay, as much as possible. People want to be led what to do actually, so make sure you guide them right. Okay, here's a bonus tip, so it will make it tip number 4, split testing. Now what split testing is, you actually create 2 different pages, pretty similar, with 1 element at a time. This is important. You shouldn't have many elements, but what you do is you send 50% of the traffic to page A and 50% to page B. That is why it's always called A-B split testing. And that will make you decide what converts better. Quick example would be red color versus black color in the headline, for example. Remember, it is really important to have 1 element at a time, because otherwise you don't know what converts. And split testing is something that you should aim for to have it implemented all the time to get the most out of your opt-in rates there. There you have it, 3+1 tips on how to grow your email list fast. Now, if you like this video, I do appreciate very much if you hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a video like this uploaded. Most importantly, there is a link below the description. When you click on that, you will actually be subscribed to my newsletter, and you will also get your free report on how to make money online. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.